Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again, General Technology Knowledge. Today I would like to show and share about how to create the alarm history or alarm log, yes, by using software Proficy Cimplicity Workbench and create the program by software Proficy Machine Edition. Okay. In the previous video, we already learned about how to create the alarm viewer and we already tested. Yes. So in this section, we will learn about how to record the alarm. It means that the alarm one should be record all time when we logging. Yes. When the condition is changed, it should be logged. Okay. So let's go to our software to create the alarm logging. So first I would like to open the Cimplicity Workbench and I will use the existing project that we already learned in the previous video. Yes. And then let's go to the point. Yes. So for config the actual server and ODBC, I already showed in the previous video. So no need to show again in this section. Yeah. And then I can start the project. Yes. And we will create the points more for logging. Yes. The existing point just only 3 points that we already test in the previous video. So we will create more, around 2 or 3 more. Yes. Okay. So let's go to open the Proficy Machine Edition first. Okay. And then I will use the existing project. Yes. And then I go to program blocks and create more points, yeah, for test. Example, person Q4. So person M4, person Q4. Yes. One more. Person Q5. So person M5. Start person Q5. Yes. And one more for person Q6. So person M6. Start person Q6. Okay. And then I can download. Yes. So right now we have totally 6 output. Yes. So we can create 6 alarm also. Okay. So let's go to our project of Cimplicity Workbench and then click Dynamic. And let's check the actual management studio a little bit to confirm that we can connect to the existing our database. Okay. So I can put the password. Okay. It's so like this, it means that we can connect to our database name Cimplicity. Yes. And then go to the points. Yeah. So basically we can dynamic, yeah, this point yes. So I can dynamic, duplicate, yes. Go to duplicate Q4, yes. And then change this one to Q4 and go to the description Q4 and then go to alarm. Yeah, actually we can use another alarm class that we want. Example high, yes. So person Q3 is turned on. So this one should be Q4 is turned on. Yes, and alarm is 1. So click OK, and I can duplicate one more for person Q5. Yeah, 5 also. And then this one should be 5. Alarm should be 5 also. Yes. And make sure you check here is alarm is enabled. Yes. Yes. For the last one, for person Q6. Actually, it is just example here. And if everyone would like to show another alarm, like temperature is low, temperature is high, pressure is low, we can create. Okay, I will show. Yes. So should be Q6, and this one should be Q6 also, and the alarm Q6. Yeah, number 6, output number 6 is turned on. So if we would like to create the like temperature is high or pressure is low, we can also use. Okay, I will example for visual point. Yeah, because it is the device point. Let's see here, it is the device point. And if I would like to use the visual point, I can do also, yeah, by right click and then use the new points. Yeah, example temp 1 high. Yeah, temp 1 high, yeah, like this. And I will tick the visual point and then check the boolean. Yeah, example the description should be temperature number 1 is high. Yes, and we can copy this one to the alarm. Yes, so initial value example 0. So when we start widget, it will 0, and then go to alarm tab, and here we can paste the alarm message that we want, the same as the description, and then we can use the alarm class and another alarm class that we want. Example, I use the high, and then it should be 1 alarm. Yes. Okay, and example temperature number 2 is high also. Yeah, so we can write like this, and then go to this one is 2, and let's go to alarm. Yes, so temperature number 2 is high, and then don't forget tick here. If we would like to log to database, we should click here to log. Yes, this one also log to database. Yeah, it means that log to Microsoft SQL Server. Yes. Okay, and one more for pressure low, right? Example pressure number 1 or pump number 1 is pressure low. Pump 1 is pressure low. Yeah. So we can change the description here. Is low. Yes. Go to visual point, the same, yeah, and then go to alarm. Here is the alarm message that it will show in the alarm log page. Yes. So we can provide example pump 1 is pressure low. Yes. So we can enable the alarm. Yes. And then click OK. Yes. So right now we already enable the point to database, right? So re-enable again and then go to database logger for check. Okay. So right now let's see here the point already locked to database. Yeah. So we can go to the screen and create the new screen. This is a existing screen, yeah, that we already learned in the previous video for alarm viewer. So right now we can create one more screen for alarm history, right? So let's go to drawing tab and then go to historical alarm viewer. Yeah, and we can resize the screen for alarm logger. Yeah, and then let's click double click and go to property. Yes, and here we can go to the connection. The first one is project name. Yeah, so we can click sound. It is the project name here, and then go to the database logger. Yes, so click data log SQL. So here we can filter. Yeah, so here select timestamp as time when log. Yeah, so here we can filter. Okay, that's all for configuration. And then we can save our screen. Example alarm logger or alarm history. And then we can test the screen. Yeah. When we test the screen, it has the existing alarm. Yeah, here. Because we already test in the previous video, so it locked. Let's see the timestamp and the point ID. Yeah, that it locked. So if we would like to clear all this alarm logger, we can go to the database logger. Let me clear. Yes. And then we can start to fork the signal and then check again. Let's go to here and make sure we click the dynamic and then go to database logger and then go to the edit and then go to reconcile the table. Yeah, and we can drop. Yeah, we can drop table. Yes. Okay, it drop like this. Yeah, when it drop like this, we can test the screen again and then let's see the alarm. No record anymore. Yes, it means that it empty. So to create new, let's click here and then go to select. Sorry, go to the create. Yes, create one. Yeah, and then click close. So it should be record new. Yeah. So if we force the signal, yeah, let me force the signal. It should be happen the alarm again, both alarm viewer and alarm history. Okay. So if I for the signal, yes. Yes. So right now the output is turned on. Yes. Let's check. Let's see here, all outputs is turned on. So if I refresh the screen again, let's check the alarm viewer, it locked or not. Yes. Alarm history. Alarm viewer is locking right now. But let's check the alarm database locker again. It has. So let's go to the screen of alarm history again. So if we drop the table, we should stop the project and update again. Yes. Otherwise it should be not locked. Yes. So let me stop the project and update the project again. Yes. Okay. Update the project again. And let me clear the lock. Okay. So let's start the project again. Okay. So wait a moment for starting the project. Okay. So right now we already started the project, and then I already force all the output is turned on. So let's check the history alarm again. Okay. So right now it lock again. Yes, start lock again. Alarm viewer also lock. Yes. So this is the instruction how to create the alarm logger or alarm history. Okay. Actually, we can call this screen. Okay, let me show. I will create the new screen for call this screen. Yes. Example geometry. I will adjust a little bit. 600 like this, or 500. Yes. And if I would like to call, I need the button, right? So I will call alarm viewer screen. Alarm viewer screen. Yes. And one more for alarm history screen. Yes. Alarm history screen. And I will adjust a little bit more. Example 200. One more for 300. Yes. Like this. And then I can configure for open screen. Yes. Example, if I would like to open the screen for alarm viewer, I go to event and then go to the mouse up. Yes. And then go to the new procedure, new, and then go to the open screen or overlay screen. Let me use the open screen, and here is the screen name. Yes, for alarm viewer. Yeah, we can click and then go to the OK. So we can test screen, and we can open the screen for alarm when we click. Yes, okay, alarm viewer. And one more for alarm history. Right now we cannot click, right? Because we not yet config the button. Okay, let me align. Okay. So if I would like to open the history alarm screen, let's go to event and then go to mouse up, go to new procedure, new, and then I will open screen. Yes. And then the screen name is history alarm. Yes. Click OK, and then we can test. So I can click, yeah, and then can open the screen of alarm history. Okay. In here we can also sort, yeah, if we have many time or many days, we can filter. Yes, we can sort filter A to Z, Z to A, or we can hidden the filter, open the filter that we want. Okay. So this is just instruction how to create the alarm historical. Yes, that we want to record the alarm of our machines or our process. We can follow this step. Okay, by install the SQL server for database. So thank you very much again for watching my video. And if everyone have any question, please drop comment under my video. I will reply soon. And I would like to request all of you to like, share, and subscribe my channel also to get more notification and more new videos that I will create step by step. So in this time, I would like to say thank you very much and see you next videos. Bye bye.